What we have here running is an Empire number 90, built from 1933 to 1941 by the Metalware Corporation, Two Rivers, Wisconsin. It's electrically heated, 350 watts. I had to resew the bushing in for the safety valve, but it's all working well now. Doesn't go very fast, but it does run. Sightglass needs to be replaced. It's all clogged up. Other than that, I'm pleased. The motor runs well. When I get the sightglass sealed up better, it'll run even faster. Great whistle, great whistle. I'm just going to let it run for a little bit. Had a meltdown once, but it didn't affect the front cap on the boiler. But everything's okay now. Empire number 90. I'm taking this as probably about 85 years old. Not bad for an old engine. Really good whistle. That's it. Wrap it up. Another one for the books.